Hello everyone. The members of Umkhonto Wesizwe Party on Monday led a march to an FNB branch in Durban, contesting what they have called the closure of former President Jacob Zuma's FNB bank accounts. The march was led by Bishop Bheki Ngcobo, who presented a memorandum for two representatives of the FNB. While it was initially reported that the FNB bank had closed Zuma's account, FNB in a statement last week clarified that it had not closed the accounts but had frozen outgoing payments in terms of a court order. The MK party has demanded that the action be reversed. Reading the memorandum to FNB managers on Monday, Bishop Ngcobo said FNB must open Zuma's account within 7 days. We need FNB to compensate Mr. Jacob Zuma for public humiliation because today Zuma has no dignity with all banks, not FNB only. Zuma is a suspect at all banks in South Africa. So by this stigma that you have created, you will have to correct it and compensate. The memorandum also stated that the Umkhonto Wesizwe Party members who use FNB will deactivate their banking accounts with the bank in 7 days should they not get a response. He said Umkhonto Wesizwe will campaign and call all South African citizens to close their FNB banking services within 7 days. If you do not respond in 7 days, we are going to take it to social media. The court order that FNB has acted on relates to the loan that Zuma obtained from VBS Mutual Bank. In 2022, Pietermaritzburg High Court granted VBS Mutual Bank's curator a default order forcing Zuma to repay the loan spent on upgrades to his home in Nkandla. The original loan amount was 6.5 million rand, but with interest, the outstanding amount had grown to 7.8 million rand. Thereafter, a writ of execution, which was granted by the court in October 2023 in favor of the VBS curator, directed that Zuma's banking accounts held at FNB be attached. The writ states that the amount to be released from the attached accounts is 2.9 million rand plus interest. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.